Hi there, welcome to our next and exciting stop here in Microsoft Flows. Now, as you know, Flow is an extremely powerful application which allows you to automate workflows between your favorite applications so you can have the information you need to get to you in the quickest and easiest way possible. Not only can you create workflows from Office 365 applications, but other sources such as Twitter, MailChimp, Wunderlist, and even Instagram and Facebook. Getting the notifications you need by creating workflows is a great way to keep up to date and maximize your productivity. So let's jump in and see how we can create and activate our first flow. Once you launch your Flows application via your Office 365 app launcher, let's click on Templates. So now that I'm viewing my templates, you'll see I have a variety of options here. I can create a flow that will save Office 365 email attachments to OneDrive for Business, get a push notification when you receive an email from your boss, and as we all know, our boss is most likely a VIP in our inbox. Scrolling further down, I can even create new events on Google Calendar from Office 365, or a flow to connect OneDrive files to Google Drive files. So as mentioned, you'll also be able to work here with apps outside of Office 365. I can also search templates here. I'll input SharePoint to see all the templates created that create flows using a connection to SharePoint. And I'll be able to see all the templates available to me, as well as the ability to create a flow from blank. So you're not tied to only templates, even though these are super helpful. Coming back to my main page, let's go ahead and create a simple yet effective flow, which is saving Office 365 attachments to OneDrive for Business. Whenever you're working with a colleague or even clients who send you attachments, sometimes it's easy to lose or misplace those local copies, and you find yourself rummaging your inbox for those attachments as well. Considering your busy workday, sometimes you might forget to upload those attachments yourself to OneDrive for Business for safekeeping. Enabling this flow will take care of that for you. Now, once here, you might be prompted to sign in to verify that these are the accounts that you want to connect to. And once you've done that, or if you've already automatically connected, then simply just click Create Flow. Now that you've created this flow, you can choose to see the run history. So whenever this flow runs, you'll be notified whether it was successful or if it failed. You can also click on Edit Flow to further customize this flow and add conditions and further steps to ensure the flow works like you want it to, as well as rename the flow. You can click More to see more options to share the flow, delete it or save as, and you can even turn the flow off. You'll be able to access this flow and these same options by clicking here in My Flows. So let's test it out. A client has just sent me an attachment that she needs me to review. Now, it might take a few minutes to show up, but as we refresh our OneDrive, you'll see that a folder has appeared called Email Attachments from Flow. And inside, I'll see the attachment that was just sent to me. As simple as that, we've created an effective flow. I'll go back to my Flow screen, and if I refresh there, I'll see that my flow run history has succeeded. So take advantage of this tool to make your life just a little easier to ensure you don't forget the little things and your work is where it needs to be. Thanks for hanging.